Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Outlook version and mailbox size because that determines archive options and limits. Once ready, open File Tools Mailbox Cleanup, then select Archive to start. Pick whether you want Auto Archive to run on a schedule or a manual archive now, and choose or create a PSD file on a local drive. This keeps mail accessible offline. Make sure to close large attachments or move them to reduce the archive time. Next, focus on what to archive and why. Select specific folders and set a cutoff date, for example items older than 6 months, to reduce clutter but keep recent mail. Once done, choose whether to include subfolders and special folders like sent items or deleted items. That prevents surprises in storage. Make sure indexing remains enabled so search works after archiving, and check the estimated PSD size to avoid hitting file limits during the operation. To finish, run the archive and watch progress in Outlook. If your system slows, pause non-essential tasks and let it run. Once complete, confirm mail moved and that search works. If Outlook reports PSD issues, close Outlook and run scan PSD exe to repair the file after making a backup copy first. Finally, if mail isn't visible, relink or import the PSD via File Open Outlook data file. If problems persist, restart Outlook and repeat the repair step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.